Sensus Connect is not just about adding smart, high-tech functionality to the car. It is also an example of how we work with usability and the overall car experience based on consumer insights. We want to make it even easier for you to interact with your Volvo. With Sensus Connect, you can use voice control, direct input via the center stack controls, or the built-in steering wheel buttons to get the best out of your Volvo. You can use voice control to choose your music while on the move, or to set your destination in the navigation system. Why should it be more difficult than that? Our high-end audio system adds ever more quality to the total Sensus experience, as do a host of new cloud-based applications designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable.